Oh, yeah, G. They can't see. The rain makes it blurry. They can't see. The rain makes it hard to see. It's so blurry, they can't be. They don't know everything, G. But you say you try to stay strong, but you hard to carry on. All the things you done so wrong makes you feel in your soul that there's a big open hole. They don't know. They say when the rain comes, will it go away so the sun can come to play? I don't know. The rain, it makes my vision so haste, and I say today, why hate if you got someplace that you could rather be, but you rather hate on me? I say that my name is G. Yeah, surely shorty could get something through to you. Who knew that you would be so blue true? And I say it's like Blue's Clues. I go till I just lose. It's like that alarm snooze. I don't play with these blues. I don't know, I am so loose. I got all this shit from you. I say, could I really choose when the rain starts to fall? Who would you call? And that you don't really have nothing to answer back. But you say you stay on track and you have to go. All this dope that you smoke, it ain't making feelings. It can't make this shit go. I appeal, so I blow smoke. I think it helps my mind though. It kinda takes the edge off. I say this shit don't make me cough, but it helps me in my heart. The things that I've done in life, I don't know where I would start. I feel like that dark hole, it keeps growing open, no, I can't seem to get it close. Every time that I get close, it's like something's there. It's holding me separate and it dared me to go. I say